Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick video to show you the difference a good wood stain can make. This is golden oak water-based stain. I'm just going to show you on this piece of wood. I believe it's lime wood, and it's very easy to use. I've just poured a little bit in the cap, soaks it up with the brush, it is quite watery but it soaks in very well, and you can see the instant result. Soaks in really well. A little bit more in those gaps there. That's how quick and easy it is to use. Let that soak in. I didn't even use all that I poured into the cap. And once that has soaked in, I'm sure you'll agree, that's the difference. That's the wood colour originally, and that's what it turns into. The wonderful wood stain completely transforms it. Thank you for watching.